Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds, where all of our vehicles come hand selected with full service history and outstanding specifications. And this 2019 registered Porsche Cayenne TV6 in white metallic is no different. Having covered just 30,512 miles, this vehicle has full Porsche service history and has a very impressive 16,751 pounds of factory fitted optional extra equipment. Starting from the exterior, we have the 21-inch Cayenne Turbo design alloy wheels, painted in satin platinum, costing £2,151. The interior complements the exterior fantastically with the smooth leather, costing £2,331. We have the sports exhaust system in black, costing £2,012. The adaptive air suspension with Porsche active suspension management, costing £1,511. The LED main headlights in black, including the Porsche dynamic light system, costing £963. The adaptive sport seats in the front with integrated headrest and memory package, costing £1,406. The list is unbelievable. And from the interior, it doesn't fail to surprise and impress. So on the door card alone, we have the 3-stage electric memory seat functions. That's for the driver and front seat passenger. We also have the upgraded Bose surround sound system throughout the vehicle. The Bose system alone was £956. And as we see the Porsche Crest embossed in the headrest, we have the Cayenne embossed armrest. Not just a 360 camera, but we have the front and rear parking camera integrated in the screen there. We have parking assist, the multifunction leather steering wheel, sports chrono. Please refer to the advert if I have missed anything. The specification is absolutely out of this world. Just have another look at the exterior. Porsche logos on the alloys, the center caps, also in colour, another cost option. Finishing the exterior of the car and complementing the rear privacy glass there from the B pillar backwards. What an outstanding vehicle. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it's been of some use. Please give the award-winning sales team a call to discuss. Thank you again.